How to reset Chat GPT account passwords. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode on how to log in. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can reset your Chat GPT account password if you have forgotten your Chat GPT account passwords. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. First, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there on the URL, search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. And there you will be landed the home page of Chat GPT. Now from here you have to tap on login button. And there you will be taken to the login page of Chat GPT. Now here you have to type in your email address correctly and then tap on continue button. Now to reset your Chat GPT account password, you have to tap on forget password link beneath your password field. And then you will taken to the next page where your email address has been automatically typed in. Now you have to tap on continue button to get the email from Chat GPT. Now check the email from Chat GPT and there you will be able to see reset password button. Now tap on that button and then a new tab will open up where you will be able to create a new password for your Chat GPT account. Now create a new password which has to be 8 characters long. And once you're done with typing in your new password, retype your new password in the next field. You can always tap on I icon to reveal and confirm your password. Now once you're done with creating and retyping your password, tap on reset password button. And there you go, you have successfully changed your password. Now you can tap on back to app client and there tap on login button. Now type in your email address, tap on continue button and there type in your new password here and then tap on continue button. And there you go, you have successfully reset your password and get logged into your Chat GPT account. Now that's how you can reset your Chat GPT account passwords. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for today and I will see you in the next one.